Hey YouTube, I'm back with another banging ass video. Dirty baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. I lied, it's not banging, but still, I gotta hype myself up. You feel me? But anyways, in today's video, I will be installing a wig, and in the beginning of the video, okay, whatever, let me just explain myself. So I bought this wig because I wanted to learn. I want to learn how to do wigs also, instead of braiding hair and stuff like that, like knotless braids, soft locks and all that. So I got this wig off Amazon, and it's over there on the wig stand, but y'all see it, you guys will see it. I got this wig off Amazon. I want to learn how to customize it, all that. I dyed it and stuff like that. I plugged it, bleached the, the knots and all that, and now I'm gonna install it. So yes, I'm excited because if I body this, will I really spend almost $200 on an install? Maybe not, we'll see. Right, someone called me, but yeah, so my cousin's here right now. I just need her to braid it down because I feel lazy to braid it down and I can't see the back, so I'm gonna have my cousin braid it down for me, do my braids and stuff like that, and then I'll start the install process. But can we just admire the length real quick? Because shrinkage really is, I'm not gonna say it, but shrinkage, it be playing you good, sis. It be playing you good, sis. Like, I don't got no shrinkage. This is blown out too. Like, my hair when it's wet, it's like to here. But y'all see where it's here. My cousin's coming.
Oh my god, I knew, like, I had a feeling YouTube was on, so listen. Hi y'all.
Her birthday's next week, guys. She having a Ruben. Why you wet?
Dog up is. You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. Fuck out of here. I wasn't done. Anyways, that girl's birthday's next week, and she having a photo shoot this week. She's the reason why I'm doing my hair, because I needed a reason to get cute. I'm getting my lashes done, my nails, and my toes. Like, for me, I want to get cute for the longest, but I like need a reason to get cute, and her dinner was the reason, because we going to the city. We going to the city, baby. I'm still gonna get ready with me that day. It's next Monday. But I'll see you guys back when my hair is braided down. Yeah. So this is the wig, guys. This is how it looks. Oh, it's just so cute. If I didn't say I got it off Amazon, you probably wouldn't even know I got it off Amazon, you know? Put this right here.
Guys, don't forget to oil your scalp. Guys, so it's Esther, and I'm gonna be doing her voiceover. Yeah, I know, you're jealous. So first, you want to put the Gorilla Glue around your edges, okay? Then she's gonna blow dry it using the edge brush. Not too hard, guys, but you gotta apply more. And she's using a blow dryer to dry it. Then she's gonna apply her wig cap. Then pull it as far as she can, because that junk is tight. She gonna apply that glue applicator. She is so Now she gonna brush it down with the stick. Now she's drying it up. Now when it's dry, she's gonna cut it. Snip, 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 snip. Snip, 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 snip. Guys, I don't know why she left. Oh, she's back. And she added the got to be glue. And then she's gonna wait for it to dry.
I slept on the bed.
Guys, she just stuck out her tongue. I don't know why she thought it was cute with the wig cap. But we're gonna keep cutting. Cut. Cut, cut, cut. And then we use the razor thingy. And then we do it again.
I slept on the bed.
Now she just blended it in. Then we're gonna clean it up. Then we're adding glue along her edges on the cap.
I slept on the
Now she's gonna blend it in. Guys, look at the wig. It's so pretty. She's blending the inside.
I slap on the beat.
She blend, 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 blend. She's cleaning it up more, guys. Just gotta dry it. Then you're gonna pull the wig all the way down to where you're supposed to. Now she's pressing on it so the glue can stick. And I part it down the middle. Then we're gonna cut it. Ugh. You guys seen the stank face she gave? Look.
I slap on the beat.
Now she's gonna put the headband so it could stick down more. Guys, I think it's glued down. We're gonna dry it a little bit more. Now she's gonna cut it around with the razor thingy. finish cutting the ends. Gonna press it down a little bit more. And finish drying it up. Then we wrap it back up.
I slept on the bed.
Then we wax and we use the hot tail comb thingy. Flat, 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 brush, 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 flat, 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 comb, 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 comb. Then we flat, 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 flat. And you gotta add more makeup around the powder thingy to blend it in more to your scalp so it looks all natural. Then guys, we're gonna create our edges. Guys, she doesn't have any in real life. Okay? Twist, 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 twist. Then we use the Gorilla Glue and wrap it up again. And then we use the wax stick because you want to get it as flat. Now we cut it. But don't be cutting too small like the other people cutting, because sometimes it don't look like the edges are even there. But now we cut and we use the Gorilla Glue again. Ew, you guys see Naomi? But now we're gonna listen to my music. Do 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 do. Take off your music. Do 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 do.
I slept on the bed.
Do 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 do. Now guys, see look, she always have an attitude guys. Now we're gonna make our edges, guys.
Make sure you have that one.
I got you.
Yes, okay, lost.
Now it's Berrylicious, guys. Berrylicious always has the same thing every time. He's so Haitian with his thumbs up, his crusty self. And then here she go, always dropping something. But she got the mousse. Look, he always want to be in somebody's videos. But anyways, we use the mousse to form the edges. Now look, guys, just look at the hair. Don't look at her. Look at the hair. The hair. She pulled an extra piece out. I don't know why, guys, but she did. But she did the same to the other side. Now she's wrapping it. You know, guys, you have to lay it down.
So I'll be back with the final product, final look. I'll probably finish the rest of the video tomorrow. I'll let you know. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is how the hair came out. I did fix the edges. You know, I fixed the edges. Whatnot, I fixed the front. Looks much. I just fucked it up. Anyways, I just fixed it and everything. It looks so good. Like, I am impressed because I did that. Who did that? I did that. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.